Good everyone, Froggy Picker here. In today's videos I will try something that I have never tried even after like a few months of picking, and this is trying to open cabinet lock out of just a metal wire. So I have these things that are I think ski pass badge thing, and so it's really just a heavy metal gauge, wire gauge, and so I will try to open, everyone I guess has to struggle through these cabinet locks with like no real tool, and so this is going to be my entry for Mr. Deadlocks 200 sub. You should totally sub his channel if you have not yet. He's making amazing videos of escape of handcuff and other things, so congratulations Deadlocks for your 200 sub, and he wants us to just do some kind of random open or open with like things that are not lockpicking tools. So let's start with this no-name cabinet lock. The beating is, there's actually 5 wafer in this thing. The beating is not fabulous, but hey, we have to start somewhere. So first I will try to capture it. Let's see if we can put it somewhere. I will have to move this thing a little bit up. Here we are. And unfortunately I have to find a way to capture, to put it in the jar where it will still, okay, so it's turning counterclockwise. I think this is going to be pretty good. Okay, here we are. Okay, we will see it turning if it's picked. So I was thinking this one can probably use this curve here to pinch it, and then so let's try to, maybe I can just cut it here. Okay, so that's going to be my pick, and I'm going to do it. Okay. Oh, I can actually make it a little bit flat. That's good. Okay. Okay. I think that could be enough, or maybe I should actually flatten it this way. Okay, let me try again. Let me cut this, and then let me try to I guess shouldn't be too bad. Let's see what we can do. So I'm going to use this random screwdriver for tension, and then I will try to see if I can pick this guy. Okay, so that's starting to be here we are. Okay, so we have an open. I guess it works. Let's try the other one. Oh, and now it's blocked. I mean, it's locked the other way. Okay, so this one is Ilco. It turns clockwise. So let's see what we can do here. Can I use maybe something like this, like with a little slight bend in it, and then I can use the okay, nice full set here. So now it's a matter of finding where is I need to really go wafer by wafer, trying to set them. Okay. Hello. And here we are. Oh, okay. So this is an open with like a random piece of wire and a screwdriver as a tensioner. Let's confirm it's an open here. Yep, it was an open of this Ilco. There's a little bit of high and low, no, not much, but there is a little bit. Anyway, that took way too long. I will have to speed up that video, but Mr. Deadlock, congratulations on your 200 subscriber, and remember the rule, only try this at home and leave any ferro blocks to professional. Thank you. Bye.